In this vlog, we are going to see what is the process of sonar scan, and in our previous two tutorials we have seen the account creation and the basic integration into this particular project. And this is a file which I have clearly explained you in the previous part of the tutorial. If you have not gone through our previous tutorials, these are the two tutorials, and the links for these tutorials I am going to provide in the description section below. And now let's try to push this particular code to GitHub, and from there the code is being retrieved onto Sonar. So I've just made some basic changes. So first of all, let's commit those changes here. I'm going to specify Sonar scan something default message just for the tutorial purpose, and I'm making commit and push. So once we push the code, here we can see the actions here. It is running currently. So when I tap here, you can see the sonar scan is being executed and setup job, checkout code. And if you see, these are the same things which we have specified here: checkout code, setup, JDK 17, all those things here as a part of jobs, and cache Gradle dependencies. So cache not found, we are continuing with further. If the cache is found, then it is being used. And here the build the project is going on, and this is what the step. Generally, build the project will take some time, and once these project building process is completed, then the next step is running SonarCloud scan. And this is what we have specified here. So these are all the details, and I have clearly explained them in our previous part of the tutorial. So I'm just trying to skip the detailed explanation, and you can refer to the previous tutorial. There you can find all the details. And here you can see the estimated, the elapsed time here. And if there are any failures, then you can again rerun that particular job or the entire scan again. And also make sure that this is only the SonarCloud scan we are running, and in general, in real time, this will be a single job in your entire pipeline. But now this particular job is only the entire pipeline because we don't have anything else. And once these jobs are finished, then we can go back to Sonar here, and this is our Android test project. And here you can find the analysis. So this is where in our first tutorial we have created the integration, right? So that particular time, now we are trying to run it again. And meanwhile, so here let us try to see these things. These are project here, and the summary and all the issues are being noted up here. So it's showing like 369 lines of code. So if you have gone through our first tutorial, there I have clearly explained you, as we are using a trial pack, a trial account here. So you will be having some limited amount of lines that can be scanned with your Sonar account. So this is very negligible, like 369 lines of code, because we have not added anything here, just a sample project. And here I would like to show you the token. So here we have discussed this particular Sonar login token, right? This particular token we have got from here. So in the settings here, in the account, my account here, under security, this is the token. And once you have created a token, again you cannot read that particular token. So at the time of generation only the token is being displayed for you. So you need to copy and paste it somewhere. And if you again want to view the token, you again need to generate the new token. So make sure you copy the token whenever it is being generated for the first time. And here so these are the general notifications. If you just want to turn on them, you can make sure turn on them, and just to make sure your team members are being notified with the things. And this is my organizations, and you can add multiple organizations depending upon your work requirement. And again, appearance, so this is the basic themes which we can add, and this is a profile. Okay, so let's go back, and I currently have only one project, and that is a public repository, and here you can find the security, reliability, all these things here. And I think there is one issue related to the security, and okay, the build is still being continued. Okay, and this is the important thing, again, information here. So here you can find the project key, organization key here, and these two things also we need to specify here and make sure there is no mistake. You can just copy it from here, copy it to clipboard, and you can directly use it over there. And these are the branches. So this is a particular branch, abcd hyphen 1234. Okay, so here we have got an issue. Your current plan covers the analysis of the main branch only. So it is saying only the main branch analysis is being covered here, and abcd branch is not being analyzed. So we are pushing this particular branch only, abcd. I would like to show you even that. So here, sonar scan is successful, but the issue is this particular branch is not scanned because we are not on a paid plan. But anyways, I will show you this particular branch, main branch. Generally, instead of this abcd 1234, just try to make use of the main branch and push the code. That's it. I think it will work for you. And here you can see the issues. I will try to show you the issues what I got here. So the first one is replace this with core plugin, and if you see here, it is showing you the issue here. So it is asking to replace it with core plugin, and if you have an issue why, it will show you the basic explanation and how you can change. This is how the thing it is showing you complaint issues. And likewise, if you see the second one, so this might be very much easy for you to understand. It is saying to remove the redundant label. So in the android manifest file, under the activity, this particular android label is showing like it's an redundant thing, and you can remove this. So using sonar scan you can find these types of errors, and these are very basic errors. So like remove unused imports, but the point is sometimes we may neglect these things, but sonar will try to scan all these things. And not only the simple issues, it will also try to find out complex issues which we may not normally find out. So using these particular tools like sonar will help us to maintain the code in a proper way, following the coding standards. And these are all the 13 issues which were shown here, and you can go and even it's provided in a very detailed way, like line 3 it is showing here. So in detailed analysis is being displayed here, and I think this is very much clear for you. And if you are still having any queries, just let me know in the comment section below. So these are the security hotspots. So again, the first one is the issues which we have covered here, and I've seen we have seen earlier in this tutorial, right? There is one security issue. So that is what this is a security issue. It is asking you to use clear traffic, and this is one of the parameter you can add in the application tag here, in the application here. And measures security overview. Okay, so these are all the things you can just go through and code. So one security issue, and in the app directory there are 12 things it is specified, and one security hotspot, so total 13 issues. And in the activity, okay, So this is the activity what we have done. Okay, so I hope this is a bit clear for you, at least for the beginners, those who want to get started with the sonar scan. And if you also want the same sonar scan implementation in the Flutter, just let me know in the comment section below. I will try to create a tutorial on Flutter integration as well. So this is it for the tutorial on sonar scan implementation. I hope you found this tutorial interesting, and the code for this particular tutorial I'm going to provide in the comment section below, and also the playlist for this series also I'm going to provide in the description section below. And if you like this tutorial, do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content on Android.